Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
That's right. Ate, take off your pajamas first.
Sunday.
You forgot. Happy Saturday, beautiful. This one woke up happy. This one woke up really happy because he slept really early. And this one woke up happy too. I love you.
I woke up like 60 happy.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, a spider.
He woke up very happy. I'm scared of spider.
And a movie.
It's not moving, yeah. Nakabihis na si Arlo because he's going to gymnastics too.
Yeah, it's moving.
What does he do there,
It's
Ayla?
moving, Mom. It's moving.
Come on, put your top on so I can...
Wow.
Sorry?
He just does roly-polies.
He does roly-polies?
Yeah.
Oh. I think that's the wrong way, my love. Wrong way, wrong way.
Mommy!
Okay, put it on.
Mommy!
And then...
Mommy!
Yeah? Spin it like...
I just put the titan.
You want to play paso-paso with the cousins? Oh, babe. On Isla's party, okay? Oh, no, Indy's party first. It's going to be Indy's party first.
My party's at the end.
Yeah, yours is at the end.
No, October. It's my
October? Oh my gosh, yes. How about Indy?
September.
Yes!
Mommy!
Yes, Alo. Wow, you're very smart.
It is party mine.
Okay, it's your party.
And
How about...
Allah's March. And Allah's in March. I have my balloons and pop.
Yeah, she popped it. She helped clean up. She promised you she will clean up. Remember?
So you don't have to clean up.
Yeah, because you were the party boy. You were the birthday boy, right, Ayla?
And I have scissors.
Yeah, she did. Very, very carefully. Because it's dangerous.
I hold the circle and I'm and then I didn't remember I went this.
Oh, yeah.
And
Hello, beautiful. You're gonna stay here with mommy again.
and I the boo-boo.
You got a boo-boo?
No, I didn't say.
No, Ayla didn't. No.
I the boo-boo. And I the boo-boo and he barely ate it.
She did, yeah. She's a strong girl, isn't she?
And Daddy helped Aya and there were bad days.
Aww.
Yeah.
Bye, baby. I love you. I love you, Alo. Aww. You enjoy, okay?
Okay.
You eat the fruit.
Okay.
Daddy's got fruit. And drink lots of water. Para naman tagal talaga mawawala.
You can
Oh.
play with this.
Alright, come on, hurry up.
No, I'm doing it.
He's bringing a gun and Joker.
Oh, do you want to shoot him? Yeah, Daddy.
Hello. Hello. Grabe. Hello, hello. You want to say goodnight to everyone? Say goodnight. Good night, guys. Mommy's gonna put me to sleep. Umiiyak ka dun sa bouncer. That means you're sleepy. And now, bungis-ngis ka na naman. Batang bungis-ngis yung bibi ko. Who's a batang bungis-ngis? Are you a batang bungis-ngis? Who is a batang bungis-ngis today? India. Good night, Papa. You wanna say good night? You will sleep. Yes. And then when you wake up, your kuya and your ate is gone again. They're gonna go swimming. Ate will go swimming. And kuya will go too. He's not gonna swim yet. Yeah. No class for him yet. But hopefully soon. He will get a class soon. He will get into a class soon. Next month, maybe. Yeah. He's on the wait list. Yeah. And then how about you? Are you gonna swim as well? Are you gonna be a good swimmer like Ate and Kuya? Does that sound fun to you? Sounds fun, eh? You sleepy na? Say good night, everyone. Yeah? Sleep without a swaddle. Good night, beautiful. Is there a white noise on?
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipped through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the
Now, preparing for... Ay, swimming na naman. Tingnan nyo, hinubad din ni Arlo yung kanyang suot. Hindi pa naman siya lalangoy, guys. Naka-waitlist pa din siya. Next term, meron na yan siyang schedule. Masabi ko ba? Baka ano siya. Siya yung klase before kay Ayla, which will be perfect. Dalhin siya ni Daddy din eh. Tapos Ayla, your clothes. Hindi ko na padadalhan ng bagong damit kasi pag uwi nila mamaya, magpapalit na naman yan. Kasi may ibang gala na naman yung mga yan. Alright. And then yung goggles. Nasaan yung goggles mo, ate? Where's your goggles? Si Indy, galaw ng galaw. Ayaw ko matulog. Ayan na. Ay, may tutubiin pa pala ako. Alright. Ala, nandito pa yung old clothes ni ate. O, diba? Hindi nalabhan. Laban natin yung bukas.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Alo. My boy.
I like you.
Oh, hug me. Are you going with Daddy?
Yeah.
And you're
Yeah.
me?
Yeah.
I have to stay here to look after Indy.
Okay.
Are you leaving me again?
Done.
Because...
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay, Mom.
It's okay, Alo. You enjoy, okay?
Okay.
Alright, here. Oh.
You can come later.
I can come later. Oh, look at you, my boo-boy. Oh, my boo. I love you so much. You're so sweet to me. Angay, matutumba ako.
I love you,
I
Mom.
love you. You love mommy so much?
Yeah.
Oh, I love you so much too.
Me too.
Do you look like me?
Yeah.
Do you look like me or Daddy?
You and Daddy.
Oh.
And I and me.
Oh.
And Edie.
And hindi. Okay. Dagdagan ko lang ng grapes. Hindi naman sila gutom. Tapos yung mga sessions, hindi naman ganun kahaba. But I just always make sure na meron silang dalang prutas. Kasi hindi ko pinapadala sila ng mga naughty snacks kapag mga ganyan na maiikli lang. So sabi ko kay Dan, kapag sinabi ni Arlo na I'm hungry, kasi lagi niya sinasabi I'm hungry kahit hindi naman siya hungry, may prutas siyang ibibigay. So dagdagan ko lang ng grapes. Kasi yung kinain ni Arlo kanina grapes. Tapos nandyan pa din yung apple. This is mostly for Arlo naman talaga kasi si ate naman yung may ganap. Tapos siya yung naghihintay. Kumain na din kasi sila ng lunch. Ang aga ng lunch nila ngayon. Kasi nga, may swimming si ate. 11:30 ba naman ang swimming? So, pinakain ko na ng lunch. Tapos mamaya pagdating nila, kain na naman yun. Tapos ilagay yung tubig. And that's ready. You're welcome. The goggles are there. Are we leaving, huh? Am I coming with you guys and leaving Indy here?
Yes.
Yes.
Ano na mag Indy?
Okay.
Say goodbye to Mama Ruff again.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Uy, where's my hug? I love you. Enjoy swimming, okay?
I love you, Mom.
I love you. Enjoy, okay?
That's all.
Bye, Daddy. I'll go upstairs. Guys, guys, mag-haul tayo habang wala pa yung aking mga maiingay na mga anak. Indy is sleeping as well. So let's do this. This is from Yes Style. Na-open ko na siya because nakita ni Arlo na dumating and he wants to open it because he wants to see if there's any toys. I told him there's no toys and I had to prove that. So I had to open it and show him. This is my Yes Style order for the month of March. Wala akong lip tint now and may lip tint dito. So let's start with that actually. Dami kong lip tint oh. Sabi ko kasi I think I need to get rid of some of my mga lip tints kasi ang tagal na nila. Yung ibang lipstick ko ang tagal na. Do you guys remember this? I used to use this all the time. Yung lip tattoo pack. Meron pala siya sa Yes Style. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit before. Ililive ko siya sa baba guys. Ililive ko siya. Raise, leave it sa baba. Kasi ito yung lip tattoo na gustong-gusto ko noon. I stopped using it for a long time kasi naubos na siya. And meron pala siya sa Yes Style. I also got just different lip tints. So this one is a fixing tint. So gustong-gusto ko yung fixing tint na meron ako from Etude House. But ang tagal na sa akin noon. So I looked it up again sa Yes Style and in-order ko yung mga ibang shades. So ganito yung itsura niya. Hindi siya kagaya nung meron ako. And I think it's a different variant as well. Yeah, glow fixing tint siya. Yung meron ako na gustong-gusto ko, hindi siya glow eh. This one is different. Ilagay natin sa lips ko kasi I don't have anything on my lips now. Right off the bat, this is way better formula. The shade is Red Sangria. I also have another glow tint from Etude House, yung fixing tint nila, Movement. Ay, bongga. Parang maganda din yung shade na yan. And then, more lip tints. Peri Pera Ink Mood Glowy Tint naman to. Looks like that. Look at the packaging. Ang ganda. Ay, ito more on pink. Ayan. This one is from Romand naman. Yung shade niya is Deep Sangria. Meron ako nito din. Na feeling ko pa expire na or expired na yun kasi ang tagal na nun sa akin. Ganyan yung shade niya. Ang bango ng Romand ha. Parang pagkain. Gusto ko sana yung shade na, yung gaya ng Dior ko na suot. Yung parang deep, yung parang brownish siya. Wala masyado sa lip tint or meron ba? Ito naman, yung Juicy Lasting Tint from Romand din. I think sa lahat ito yung close sa yung gusto kong shade. And then I got water tints from Etude House. Gustong-gusto ko yung water tints nila. And because gustong-gusto ko siya, I use it a lot. And naubos na yun, guys. So, I have it in different shades. Kapag ginamit ko siya, pakita ko sa inyo. Like, watery talaga yung ano niya, oh. Consistency niya. I got socks as well. Kasi yung mga pinagsusuot ko ng mga socks, hindi na siya nagsistay ng ayos. But na-realize ko, ang tagal na pala nun. I have been using yung Skechers na socks na naalala ko. Sa US ko pa yung binili. Ilang taon na yun, guys. 2018. Pa yung US trip namin, ipapahingahin ko na yun sila. And I got new socks from Yes Style. Kung naghanap kayo ng socks, guys, Yes Style has it. Nandun lahat ng socks. Apakaganda pa ng mga socks nila. So I just got this. Tapos mas maganda to kasi yung grip nito apaka-fresh pa. So magsistay talaga yan. Lalo na sa samba. Kasi minsan kapag bumababa yung socks, tumatama yung likod ng samba sa sa paa mo. And medyo masakit siya. This one looks like it's gonna stay up. And then meron din siyang grip dyan sa baba. Tapos meron din siyang grip dito sa likod. So black naman yan. Isa muna kasi itatry ko muna sila. And meron din sila nito guys. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. So, it is a lotion. So, naghanap kayo ng mga lotion, any skincare, guys. Nasa Yes Style yan. And then, Sulwasu! Kapag in stock yung mga ginagamit ko ng mga skincare, I stock up kasi kadalasan wala talaga siyang stock, guys. I got the parang travel size ng Sulwasu, yung Gentle Cleansing Foam niya. 1, 2, tigta tatlo. So, cleansing foam yan. Itong isa naman is cleansing oil. Ayan. So, gamitin mo muna cleansing oil, lalo na kapag nagsa-sunscreen ka. Kasi I've heard or I've read somewhere, may batang pa-open ng door. Nakikita ko yung shadow. Ang cute. Si Arlo ang ulo. So, gamitin mo muna cleansing oil para matanggal yung mga, para matanggal yung sunscreen. Kasi hindi daw natatanggal basta-basta yung ibang sunscreen ng like cleansing foam lang or normal cleanser lang. So, dapat daw cleansing oil. So, cleansing oil muna and then yung cleansing foam. O, ano na naman? Ha? Pool? Apple? What did you say?
Daddy, don't put a pole.
What did you say?
A pole.
Come here. Come here.
What's the side?
What's inside? Oh, this one is a blurry pudding pot. What? That is so cute.
Open it.
Yeah, you can see, of
I
course.
open it.
You can try.
Open
It's
it.
a blurry pudding pot daw siya, guys.
You open it, Mom?
So I think it's a
It's a big.
blush. Oh, ang cute.
See?
Blush maybe, tas pwede din ata lipstick. I'm not sure.
See?
Yung shade niya is Fave.
Untouch it.
No, don't touch it.
Why?
It's messy.
Okay, top.
Yeah, I'll show you. Don't worry. Just put your clothes on.
What's this?
What is it?
But I didn't open it
Aray.
yet. I didn't open that, Mom.
Okay.
My favorite puppy wrap.
Yeah, you can have that. You can have the popping wrap. In-order ko din yung full size ng cleansing oil. So, ganito siya kalalaki.
Mommy!
Oh, wow. Thank you,
Hey, your
Arlo.
present.
It's my present. Thank you. This one is the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask.
Mommy, can I have that too? Because I don't want to guess.
Nakita ko to na parang maganda
Mommy,
daw to eh.
you open this one?
Okay.
What's inside, Mom? What's inside, Mom?
It's skincare Arlo. See? Whoa.
It's your present.
It's my present. It's for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, Arlo.
You open this. I open that.
Agoy, wala na talaga. So, kapag may stock ng Sulwasu na cleansing oil,
Mommy.
yun yung kinukuha ko. Pero kapag wala, I use the Anwa.
Mommy, you.
Oh, wow! Thank you! Thank you for the present! Yun lang, guys. Tapos na tayo, guys. Andito na yung mga malilikot, makukulit na mga batang bael. Alright, let's put it back because Mommy needs to put it upstairs so Mommy can put it away. Nagpunta pala sila ng shops. And we got barramundi! Frozen na siya, guys. Tapos, cut na din siya na barramundi. So, diretso na to prito. Thank you, Dada. Tapos yan, mga ano lang. What's this? Twiggy stick?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I need to get their food. Maybe as in. Wala na. Naput away na niya, guys. Punta silang Futi. Siya na talaga ang dadalhin niya ang dalawang bata sa Futi. Si Arlo at saka si Ayla. Nakabihis na yung dalawa eh. You're not coming. You stay here with Mama.
You're strong.
You stay here with Mama. See? Your kuya and your ate is cleaning up already because they're going. Go, clean up, Alo.
It's heavy too.
Is it heavy? Oh, ate can help you. Oh, look at the outfit ni ate.
I got
Oh,
this.
may pa-braided buhok pa yung apakaganda. Machi-machi sila ng top. Ang cute-cute nilang dalawa sa kanilang outfitan, guys. Let me see your outfit. Oh, Port Power. What do you say? Say, go, Power.
The power.
Good boy. Where's ate?
I'm not wearing the outfit too.
Let me see. Beautiful.
I just stop this.
Can the guys see your hair? Oh, girl. All right. Ready, steady. Hello, smile. Smile, look at ate. Ate, look at ate. Ay, nako. You're back. Hello.
Baboon.
Ay, nako, guys.
Baboon. I don't love you. Is it a good photo?
Aw, that's cute.
Oh, I'm not looking at you. Well, see?
So, prepare lang tayo ng kanilang waon. Peanut butter sandwich lang. Same silang dalawa para walang mag-away. Nasa kabilang lounge yung dalawa. Nagka-karaoke. So, ihahatid ko sila para diretso lang sa harap ba, hindi na sila maglakad ng malayo. Kasi kapag nag-drive, malayo yung paparkingan ni Dan. Tapos, kailangan maglakad ng malayo. Kawawa yung 2 bata. So, hatid ko na lang sila. Tapos, sunduin din ko din sila mamaya. Mas magiging madali para kay Daddy. Sabi ko sa kanya, isa lang yung dalhin muna. I-try muna yung isa ba? Kasi nga dalhin 2, bala ka. Sige ka. Are you gonna finish your food?
Yeah.
Thank you, boy. Are you gonna be good for Daddy?
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
And to me.
And not eating.
Is Indy coming or no?
And but the bowl wasn't eating.
Oh, the bowl might hurt Indy. Sabi niya kasi isama daw si Indy. Sabi ko hindi pwede. Sabi nila, bakit hindi pwede isama ang baby? Sabi ko, baka matamaan ng bola. So ngayon, yan yung lagi sinasabi ni Indy. The bowl might hurt Indy daw. Are you gonna finish your fruit, Alo?
Yeah.
Thank you, Alo. You've got fruits as well, ate, okay?
All the baby is fine.
So Jackson's coming. Who else is coming? Is Ellie coming too, or just Jackson?
Ellie's not coming.
She's not coming. So just Jackson.
Dad's coming.
Jackson's dad, yeah. Uncle Christian. Si Daddy na talaga naka-airport backpack. Oh. Alright. Let's go. Come on.
So you know where to go to pick me up? This is the way you go. Then
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'll just do women's and children's and then follow this. No, the roads won't be closed.
Eating?
We're almost there, Alo. Good job, Alo. You're awake still. You're gonna watch footy, Alo. It's gonna be so much fun.
is this your first football game, Arlo?
Is it? Oh, Alo, it's your first football game.
Which football game?
Alright, so
In
there.
300 meters
Am I going to play?
camera hit 50 kilometers
No.
per hour speed limit.
Why?
Oh, okay.
But like, if you can't, you might not be. Oh, go in here because you can always go park behind. Someone's parked there. We
Yeah.
can still jump in. So just go here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Mommy, why are you taking your seatbelt off?
I'm driving. I'm going back home. You guys enjoy, okay? Yeah? When you get home, you tell me all about it, okay? You will tell me how fun it is.
And you the hard?
Oh, I will miss you too.
I miss you, Mom.
I'll miss you too, Alo.
What's Daddy?
Oh, wait. Bye, Alo! Bye! Oh, my love. Aww. Love you! Bye, Alo! Oh my gosh. Aw, baby. Alright, cruise, Daddy. Good job, Daddy. Tulog si Indy, guys. Perfect. So, punta lang akong Frida. Bili lang ako ng additional regalo para kay Tita Cathy. And then, uwi na kami after nun. Malapit na tayo sa Freedom. Bili lang ako ng rain diffuser para kay Kat. Meron na akong dun silk na pillowcase. Yun yung regalo natin sa kanya. Birthday niya nung 21st. Kasabay sila ng birthday ni Miss actually. Tapos gusto ko din tumingin ng mirror guys sa Freedom. Ay, ito na naman. Ang dami kong gustong gawin sa bahay guys na wala pa akong time talaga na gawin siya. May mga binili na ako nasa under the stairs pa lang because I
Turn left, then take the first right.
just do not have the time yet. Basta, gusto ko ng mirror. No rush. Kasi alam kong hindi ko siya malalagay ngayon kahit bilhin ko siya ngayon. And yung mga ganyan din, mga vase na may mga ganyan pa bulaklak or pa. It's alright. It's so good. No pressure. Siguro gawin ko siya after Bali. Kailangan ko kasing i-rearrange yung wall art ng taas. Kasi yung frame ni Indy, yung parang baby frame niya, hindi ko pa din guys nalalabas. Ay, I'm telling you guys, sabi ko sa inyo guys, sobrang hectic. Since nanganak ako, wala na talagang tigil ang lahat. So siguro after Bali. But, nandito na lang din naman tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung meron sila. Ay, kung bonggang-bonggang, sobrang ganda talaga ng mirror, bilhin natin. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Tingnan nyo naman yan, napakalaki. Pero yan yung bumungad sa akin. Ganda. Pero over yan sa laki. Ayun, may maliit. Ayan siya. Ganito yung ano ko plano ko. Yung sa itaas ng buffet table. From 279 to 223 na lang siya. 90 cm. 90 cm. Maliit ba yan? Ito yung 120. I think I can go with the 120, guys. Feeling ko yung 90 masyado siyang maliit. I'm not sure. Tapos mga vase. Kailangan ko ng mga vase to put on top of the buffet cabinet. Alright, let's keep looking. Oh my gosh, she's awake. Hello, beautiful. Oh my gosh, ang ganda mo, Bob. Ang ganda naman ng aking beautiful. Hello, Papa. You look so pretty. Dito din tayo sa rugs nila. I'm also looking for a rug para sa main living area. Pero gustong gusto ko yung kulay ng mat niya ngayon. Gamit na gamit pa natin yun. Pero kapag naglakad na to, we will eventually change it to a rug. Malaking rug. So we'll see. What do they have? Gusto ko yung kakulayan nun. Gusto ko din to ilagay dun sa buffet cabinet. So ganito siguro. Tapos yan. Ano bang pangalan nito? I'm just taking note ng mga pangalan. Limonium. Cute yun, diba? Ang ganda. So may ganyan akong binili. Hindi ganyan kalaki, guys. But ganyan, olive tree. Nilagay ko under the stairs pa. Hindi ko pa na-open. In-order ko yun siguro before Renmark pa. Uy, I like this lamp too. Ay, gusto ko yan. Parang instead of the vase, yan na lang, no? Nakasale yung mga items nila eh. Ang helpful din ng mga tao dito. Dalawa na yung nag-reach out sa akin. Tinanong ako kung may kailangan ako. Here we are. Nandito na tayo sa mga diffuser. Gising pa din siya. Ang dami na namang nakyutan sa'yo. Daming nakukyutan sa'yo, Baba. Ang cute mo kasi. There it is. I want the watermelon. Oh, that's Posy. Asan na yung watermelon? Hala. Wala na, Bob. Hala, Bob. Uh-oh. I think they ran out. Uh-oh. What are we gonna do? Uh-oh. So, wala na yung watermelon. Nandun siya o yung sample na sa likod. So, sabi ko, pang-beach na lang. Kasi alam ko na mabango din yung, pang-beach, sea salt. Alam ko na mabango din. Wala din, guys. Upos na din. Walang green at saka walang peach. Meron kandila. Patay na. Yun lang yung gusto ko. So, this one's coconut and lime. Mabango din naman. Ayan na naman siya o yung vase. Pwede naman siguro, no? Vase sa kabila. Tapos sa kabila, ayun, nandun yung lamp, oh. Yung lamp sa kabila din, no? Ang ganda ng lamp. Nakita mo, baby? Ang ganda. I'll show you, okay? It's really nice, the lamp. Should mommy get the lamp? Oh, ang cute ng lamp. Ay, tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng lamp. Ang cute. Ganito ba talaga yung kulay niya? Or ikaw pipili ng bulb? Kasi ang cute niyan. Hindi ko nahanap yung Palm Beach na watermelon, but meron sila ng Ikoya, guava, and lychee sorbet. Ito yung favorite scent ko sa Ikoya. And they have it in the diffuser. So we'll get that. That's perfect. Ang cute nito. Ang bango-bango nito, guys, kung hindi nyo pa ito na-try. Alright, and I think I'm gonna get the lamp. Ako na talaga. Hanapin muna natin yan. Bahay na kami, guys. Kasi sabi ni Indy, Mami, tama na, Mi. Sabi niya, marami ka pa doon, Mi. Hindi mo pa nagagamit, Mi. Tama na. Bibilhin ko na yung lamp. Wala na sila nung lamp. Sabi ko na, naubos na kaka-display nila eh. 5:28 na, guys. My gosh, where did that time go? In 10 minutes, alis na ako. Wait, pakainin ko lang si Indy para busog siya. Kasi alis na ako in 10 minutes. Nakapagtupi ako. Nakapaglinis ng bahay. Na-prepare ko na din yung ibang dadalhin bukas. Kasi may alis na naman kami bukas, guys. Ay! 5:30! Sabi ni Dan, alis ng 5:40. I know. You having fun? Yeah, you hungry? Hello. Ay, huwag kang kausapin. Kain ka dyan. Let's turn off the TV as well. Kain ka lang because we have limited time. Hello, baby! What do you mean why I'm here? Hello, princess! Yep. I know, she's sleeping. Come on, hurry up. I need to put your seatbelt on. Guys, how was footy?
Goody! I want the football. I want a flag.
You guys have flags. Did you buy it? Alright, come on, hurry up.
Yeah, football.
Do we get an accident?
Oh, yeah. You can't hold the flags, baby. Come on. Ayla, seatbelt, please. Yeah, so come on, guess. What am I putting on top of the...
Plant.
A plant? No, not on top. Oh, to replace the wall art. What do you think I'm putting there? What do you think is a good idea?
Nothing.
No,
What do you think?
a mirror. 120, is that a good idea? 120 cm?
Well, how's it going to hang for a start? Have you worked out how it's going to hang?
Yeah. We'll just, we'll have to hang it on the wall.
Mommy,
Yes?
is it a long drive?
You have to get Harry to come hang it.
Okay.
We'll have some weight to it. It's going to be done probably last.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
It's a round mirror.
Yeah.
So that, yeah. And then, put the
All
mirror.
depends on the studs are as well. So it might be the
So I have to check that as well.
I'll probably check what the studs are before you do anything.
Nag-order kami sa Nando's.
What's this toy?
Ooh, that's Daddy's. Burger kay Dada.
That's mom.
Nag-order ako ng, ay, paborito kong broccoli. And then,
What's this toy?
alright, here. I'll put it in the plate for you, the kids. Tugaok na talaga tayo nitong kaka-chicken natin. Kagabi nag-chicken. Oh, this looks good, guys, and it smells really good. The chicken and chips. Oh, chips looks yummy. Let's sit down because I want to sit down as well. I want to eat. And I got chicken thighs, guys. May rice ako dun, so hindi ako nagpalagay ng rice. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Alright, kain na tayo. Let's eat.